see a few more players today. Let's see, you got Jay Haas, Bob Tway,
Tom Watson, Corey Pavin, Kenny Perry.
Al Sutton, Kenny Perry.
It isn't too bad. It's not too crowded. Parking was convenient. Dropped us off the front gate, so not too bad.
Umbrellas. Just bought a bag with a few items in it, and I've gotten a lot of autographs. Sometimes every pro that I've asked for an autograph is very nice guy. I appreciate that a lot.
We're taking care of this group, taking care of Mr. Miller here and Stranka, and we're playing with Tom Watson. So we're all looking forward to it. A lot of new faces, seeing obviously watching the pros, but you get a lot of CEOs of companies and just who you meet. That's the best part.
The title is driving together.
Okay.
And that way, see if we can hear some of the positives. That's great. I love that. Get your fit and terrific. 9.5 loft and neutral line in an alphanumeric A1 setting. Okay. So we'll lock it in place. And all you need to do is get one click. And that way you're in. There's the one click. We'll give it to him and see what he thinks. More than a little bit.
Yeah, just quite a bit of fun.
Can't stop shaking. Real excited.
Kenny Perry's getting ready to come up here. Jeff Sluman, Mark O'Meara, John Cook, Willie Woods. Haven't seen him in a while, so.
I'd like to see Kenny Perry do well. He's a hometown boy.
We come and watched him in the Ryder Cup here.
Yep. Right here.
That's why you're getting paid $6.
He may not get the play.
From an operations standpoint, we're still in a little bit of construction mode. We're hoping to be done by then, but there's still a little bit of things, depends on the weather, that we're kind of doing. It's kind of the finishing touches to the event, putting the little artistic marks on there just to kind of make it presentable for the spectators and players and all our hospitality clients.
Yesterday it was rainy and not very humid. The golfers and the caddies were not happy.
What about
I think the golfers are a lot more looser. They're, they want to be. They're here. They know the fans are here for them.
I love golf. I've always loved golf. Military Appreciation Day. I was invited out here, and it's an honor to be here. Honored to be here. And on the 8th Military Police, it's Armory. The Armory over off of Newkirk Road. We're leaving June 1st for our ride. So, me today, I met Mr. Lehman, who was, incredibly gracious.
MWR, they give us a record in a social appreciation day to compare it to what's PGA today. We met Tom, and I've known him for a long time, and I got his autograph today and got to talk to him, talking about me being in the service. I've been in the service now for 32 years. I'm a reservist, and I'm up here at Station Fort Knox right now. We're up here training the MP soldiers, transportation soldiers, and fuel handlers. Now getting ready to go back to Iraq and Afghanistan, and performance.
Things have gone well. I mean, we've had a little bit of rain and some changing in the parking plan. But other than that, I mean, we've had some great crowds and sunny skies today, and hopefully the rest of the week we'll be having a great week. Lots of fans and having a great championship. Yeah, I mean, thank you to everybody for coming out and enjoying the championship so far. Thanks to our volunteers and all of our spectators, and looking forward to the rest of this week and crowning a major champion on Sunday.